Salam friends, and welcome to my channel at KB's Cooking. Today I would like to share a very interesting recipe. The title is Kuih, Tepung, Pelita. It is very popular in Malaysia and in great demand during the fasting month of Ramadan, and it is sold throughout Malaysia in Ramadan bazaars. Now we can do it at home. So let's get started. I'd like to introduce you to all the ingredients for today's recipe. First of all, we have here 1 cup of pandan juice, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of rice flour, a small teaspoon of salt, food coloring green color, and I'm going to use 5 breakfast cups of water. This forms the green layer, which is at the bottom. Next, we have the top layer. For this, we have 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is jagung, tepung jagung, a packet of coconut milk, and a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. For this, we shall be using about 3 to 4 breakfast cups of water. With the pandan juice, I'm going to mix it all together here first. Add the sugar, add the rice flour 1 cup, a teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of water to this. And a teaspoon of green coloring. This till it's smooth. I have whisked this till it's smooth, and now we have to cook this on the stove just for a short while. We are now going to cook this over the stove on medium to low heat till it thickens. It will take a few minutes. As you can see, it has thickened and we can see the bubbles coming up. We have to switch on the stove now. I'm now taking this to the table to fill up the bowls. I'm going to fill up the bowls to form the first layer, 2 scoops each. We have to do this fast because it might set. I'm going to add a little bit on each bowl before the next layer goes on top. I'm now going to prepare mixing the first layer, which is going to go on top. Sugar and salt. I'm adding the rice flour and the corn flour together, and now we are going to add 1 full packet of coconut milk to this. And we are going to add 3 cups of water. We're going to whisk this till it becomes smooth before we cook it on the stove. It doesn't take very long. All mixed up well. Now I'm going to cook it on the stove. Let's switch on the stove now. And I'm going to pour this into the pot. stirring this till it thickens. Our mixture has thickened and there are bubbles forming, which means it's done. So I'm going to switch off the stove and take this to the table. I'm going to scoop this onto the top of the bowl to form the top layer. One by one. And when I'm done with all the bowls, then it will be ready for the table. Pelita is now ready to be served for buka puasa. It will be even better if it is chilled in the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share it among friends and family. Thanks for watching.